Hello everyone, welcome back to Sujit Analytics. This is the continuation of SQL tutorials for beginners. In this tutorial, I'll be explaining joins in SQL. So let's go to the today's topic. Before going to the joins, I want you to know why we need to use joins. Why joins? We know that joins combines the data from multiple tables. So why we use joins? Because in real time, the data stored in different tables. The data may not stored in one single table. Suppose if you take sales data, customers data would be we get from the Excel file, and the sales data will get from the database, and their products data may get from the cloud database. So the data comes from different sources. So if you want to combine the data together and perform analysis, these joins are very important. So that is why we use joins. So here joins are used to combine data based on related column. Here the related column means the common column. So when we have the relationship in the tables, there are some columns which have relation. For that relationship only, we are able to join the tables. And joins is concerned, there are mainly joins called inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join, self join, and cross join. These are the different types of joins we have in SQL. Let's understand each join with example, so it's easy to understand to you. First, let's go with the inner join. And let's see these examples with the customers and this orders data. Inner join. Inner join is used to return only matching records. Matching records between tables. Means when we have two tables, when we use inner join, it returns only the common data whose matching records is present in the both the tables. Suppose I have two tables, customers and orders data. I make sure to share this data insights for these customers and orders tables, and also I'll share this SQL file in the description. This is my customers data. This is my orders data. From this, I want to use inner join. So when we use inner join, then only the matching records. So the common record between these two tables is customer ID. We're able to see. This is the customer table. This is the orders table. In this customers table, we have customer ID. In orders table, this we have customer ID. So these are the matching columns. So when we use inner join, returns only the matching records. So in this both the tables, the matching records are customer ID 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 5 and 6 are not matched. So we are able to get the customers 1, 2, 3. Let's use this inner join. Set to start from customers. I'm giving this C. C means this is the alias name. temporary name we are giving to this table. And I'm doing inner join. I'm joining orders table. That's why I'm giving orders. For this table, I'm giving alias name as O. I'm joining on um, column name would be c dot customer ID equal to o dot customer. When we are using joins, we have to specify the on clause. We have to specify on which columns we are joining the tables. So what we are saying is set to start from these customers in this orders table, join the tables on customer ID and customer ID from the both the tables. This refers to customer, this refers to orders. Execute it. So I'm able to see the customers 1, 2, 3 because these are the customers who have orders. Then select specific columns. Suppose here dot customer name, here dot customer ID, O dot amount. So we are able to see only customer name, customer ID, and the total amount. This is about inner join. Returns only the matching records. Because this in this customers table, we have two customers, which is 1, 2, 3, three customers, and their order details are present in the orders table. That's why we are able to see only these three customers. But we have other customers who don't have matching records. Means who don't have orders. So this is about inner join. Then you can also use inner or join, only join. By default, it returns inner join only. You can use either inner join or you can use only join or only inner join. When it's come to left join, it returns all the records from left table and matching records from right table. This is the definition for left join. It returns all the records from the left table and the matching records from the right table. When we perform the left join, it returns all the customers and like all the details from the left table, even they don't have matching or unmatching. All the records from the left table plus only match records from the right table. Whatever all the unmatching records we are getting from the right table, that will be replaced with the null values. So let's perform the same query using left join. Instead of join, I'm giving here left join. I execute it. Now we are able to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are able to see 6 records of 5 customers. In the previous query, we are not able to see the customer 5 records, customer 4 and 5 records because these customers don't have any orders in the orders table. That's why we are unable to see. Now, but in this query, we are able to these customers because these customers even don't have any orders. The details will be retained. So the unmatching, whatever the unmatching records we are getting, so these customers don't have any amount. That's why returning null. This is the data we are getting from left table, and this is from right table. This is the amount, which is orders. These two customers don't have any orders. That's why the amount is returning null. And this is the inner join. The inner join. This is the left join for it. So when you use left join, it returns the both the records. Left join plus matching record from the right table. This is the matching records. This is the unmatching records from the left table. This is about left join. Means returning all the customers even if they don't have any orders. That is the thing. When you come to right join, yeah, works opposite to the left join. Returns all the records from right table and matching records from left table. This is the definition. Returns all the records from the right table and matching records from the left table. Means when we are joining two tables, the left table and the right table returns all the records from the right table and the matching records from the left table. Just use the same query. Instead of join, we use right join. For all the join, the syntax will be same, but we have to change the keyword. Now we are able to see it's also select ordered customer ID. It's orders customer ID. Syntax. Now see the result are different from the previous queries. So this allies Bob Charlie. These records are present in the both the tables. Customer ID, customer, both are matching. So this also written. And also we are able to see the new record, which is the customer name is null, customer ID is null. From orders table, the customer ID is 6. The amount is 3,500. Why? Because we know that right join will returns all the records from the right table. Returns all the record from the right table and only matching records from the left table. Now this extra record is the unmatching record. Unmatched records from the right table. So this record don't have any matches from the customer's table, which is left table. That's why it is returning null. So it just works opposite to the left join. This is the inner join. This is the inner join result, and this is the right join result. So when we use right join, this matching records plus unmatching records from the right table. This customer ID 6 don't have any customer details from the customer's table. That's why it is returning null. So this how right join works. Then all the records from the right table and the matching records from the left table. Whatever the unmatched records from the left table we are getting, that values are replaced with the null values. This is about right join. You can also interchange the left join and right join. Just we have to interchange the tables. Instead of giving the left table first, we can give the right table. So we can interchange them, we would get the same results. This is about right join. Coming to full order join. Full order join means full record, returns full records. Returns all the records. Even if they don't have any matching. Even if they don't have any matching records from left or right table. Returns all the records. Whatever the unmatching records will be getting, that will be replaced with the null values. So let's use the same query. Instead of join, I'm giving full join. Now see, this is the result of flow join. Flow join, what is doing is first returning the matching records. These are the matching records from the both trade. And these two customers, David and I, don't have any orders details. That's why their amount would be null. And coming to the next record, for this customer ID, there is no associated customer's details. And that is why returning null. So whatever what is performing, it performing inner join, left join, and the right join together. This is the we are aware that this is the left join result set. And the right join result is matching records and the unmatched records on the right table, which is the last record. So returning all the records. A full join means returns all the records, even if they don't have matching or don't have matching, returns all the records. So whatever the unmatching records we will get, that will be replaced with the null values. So this is about these four joins: inner join, left join, right join, and the floater join. Let's summarize the each join. Is it understand to you? Inner, left, right. Just compare each join with other, so you're able to understand easily. Try with the different examples. I will make sure to share this file, the insert and create an insert script for these tables, so you can practice and inner join. Inner join only matching records. This is the convention, matching records. We have to ensure only the matching records will be written. Left join means all the records insert like this, matching records plus unmatching records from left table. Coming to right join also perform matching records plus unmatching records from left table or right table. So this left and right join works opposite. When we use left join, returns all matching records plus unmatched records from the left table. Then use right join, returns matching records plus unmatched records from the right table. So when we use floater join, returns matching records plus unmatching from both left and right table. Left and right table. We have floater join performing all the joins, inner join, left join, right join together. First returns the matching records plus unmatching records from the left table. Means if we take to the customer's data, returns first the customers and their orders who have specific orders, and all the customers even if they don't have any orders, and also returns all the order details even if they don't have customers. This is what floater join is doing. This is about different types of joins in SQL. I'll make sure to post you the create an insert script in the description. Make sure to copy the create an insert script and practice some queries, so you can get some knowledge how to use different type of joins in different scenarios. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you understand. If you believe you learned something today, don't forget to give a like and share it with your friends who are learning SQL. And, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sujit Analytics, to stay updated with my latest tutorials. And that's all. I'll see you in the next video.